This video presents how to perform the initial setup of Dynaway Tool Crib. The initial setup will be automatically run after installation, but if you decide not to do it right after the installation, you can run it from the Extension Management, Assisted Setup or Dynaway Assisted Setup. Select 3 dots on the Dynaway Tool Crib extension line and select Setup. If you haven't completed the Dynaway EAM setup before installing Tool Crib, you won't be able to start the Tool Crib setup. The Dynaway Assisted Setup page, with all initial setups for our extensions, can be opened from the Dynaway EAM license information page. On the first page, you can see 2 sections: Welcome to Dynaway Tool Crib with a link to the documentation, and Setup Walkthrough with a link to this very video you're watching. On the next page, you can set up number series for the Tool Crib extension by selecting Setup Default Number Series, if you want to use our default number series, or you can select one of the number series created by you. On the third page, you can set up new categories for tools. Select Setup Tool Category to open the list of asset categories. On the Asset Categories list, select New to create a new category. Creating a tool category is very similar to creating an asset category. The main difference is that you have to specify asset type as tool on the category card. Then you will be able to specify the maximum handout time on the category card. After creating tool categories and closing the asset categories list, you can select Next to go to the next step. On the final page, you will find 3 links. The first one will lead you to Dynaway Help, which contains documentation about our Business Central products. The second one will take you to a video library with more in-depth webinars. The last one will take you to our newsletter, so you will stay updated with everything that we are doing. The initial setup of this module is completed. To save this setup, select Finish.